How about we take a little ride, shall we?
Let's go to the park!
And for today's ride, we're heading down to SeaWorld because the park is open again. Yeah, I know we've been here several times over the past year, but the rides haven't been open. You know, because of the thing. But as of yesterday, April 12th, SeaWorld has fully reopened with rides. Now, not every ride is open today because some of them still have a little bit of work to do before they're fully armed and operational. Safety first. So, let's go see what rides are open and which ones aren't. Well, it looks like the Sky Tower is closed. That's cool. I can wait till another visit to ride that one. Okay, it looks like Manta is not open today either. That's okay. I can wait until the next visit for that one too. Though I gotta say, it is a really fun roller coaster. Looking forward to riding it again. All right, moving on. Don't worry, we're gonna find our ride today. But that next ride won't be on Tidal Twister. Not today. But even amidst the reopening, that ride being down is not too surprising. Even when the park was open, that ride had a lot of downtime, unfortunately. And I say unfortunately because it's actually a pretty fun ride. Perhaps not as thrilling as SeaWorld Drive. That's the first roller coaster I ride every time I come to SeaWorld. If you know, you know. Ooh, check it out. It's morning feeding time. Okay, let's keep looking for a ride that's open. Ooh, I see motion. Electric Eel is running. That's a sight I haven't seen in over a year. All right, let's head that way, shall we? All right, let's do this.
Now sit upright, hold on tight, and get ready to be electrified. Oh my goodness, that's what I've been waiting all year for, since last year. Yeah, I think that scratched my thrill itch for the moment. Let's go see what else is going on here at the SeaWorld. Well, it looks like the Journey to Atlantis water coaster is not open just yet, as indicated by the lack of water flowing down the flume, and this sign that's on its side. It was like that when I got here. Now there's the thrill ride that I'm really anxious for. It was supposed to open last year, but
We all know what happened with that. And now that SeaWorld San Diego is open once again, we only have a little bit longer before Emperor makes its grand entrance into the world of thrill rides. I have a feeling that one's gonna become a new favorite. Say, remember that show we watched last time, Rescue Tales? Well, apparently now it's called Sesame Street R is for Rescue, presented by SeaWorld. Because animals here at the park are priority number one, ahead of all thrills. Wait a minute, I thought R stood for advent. Never mind. Now, Electric Eel isn't the only ride that's open today, but it's the only thrill ride that's open today. Of course, I guess that depends on what your definition of thrill is. There's some spinny rides open in the Sesame Street Bay of Play, and there's some other rides open like the Tentacle Twirl and whatnot, but they're all kiddie rides. Now let's go to the park. We're a thrill ride family. Most of the time anyways. We make exceptions for certain rides. Well, it looks like Otter Outlook and Dolphin Point are undergoing a little bit of renovation at the moment. I'm not sure what that might be, but whatever it is, I'm sure it's going to be awesome. It looks like SeaWorld has done a little bit of modification to their 2021 events lineup. Got the Seven Seas Craft Beer and Food Festival, which is going on right now. Kids Weekends happening in May through June. Electric Ocean, which is happening June through September. SeaWorld Barbecue and Brews is happening September through October. We've got the Red, White, and Blue Salute happening in November. And of course, the SeaWorld Christmas celebration going from November through December. And the Spooktacular is still on the schedule, but the Hallow Scream is suspiciously missing now. I guess we can only hope that it will be back in the lineup by the time fall rolls around. Sometimes I'm running around the park so much, taking footage and all, I forget to stop and enjoy the local life. Beautiful. Wait, I thought Tang was orange. Alright, well, all these thrills and chills have given me a little bit of an appetite. So let's see if we can rustle up some grub. I feel like having something from the Shipwreck Cafe again today. I just like their food. And of course, part of the Shipwreck Cafe experience is the usual crowd of wishful thinkers. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Don't take another step. He's right behind me, isn't he? Not anymore. The answer's still no. This is people food. People food is not for the birds. Don't you know that? Don't you know that? See you later, Mr. Knight. It's been real. Duck! Ducks! Alright, well, it's about time for me to start heading out. You know, I've had the biggest smile on my face all day, but you couldn't tell because it was blocked by this Darth Vader grizzle that's been up in your grizzle all day. Thank you so much for joining me on another little trip to SeaWorld for the reopening of the thrill rides. Till next time, see you later.
It's our friend, he's a friend to you and me. It's our feathered, weathered friend bird, we like to call him Peeves. Better watch your launch, you know that he's a sneaky bird. He's a poser and brown noser and just a bit absurd, but that's the way we like him because he's that silly guy who goes by the name of Poser Bird. So now enjoy the show.
Hey, quiet.